Miss Pinky,
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
good evening. Many, many happy returns of the day.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Today you look very pretty.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Okay, guys. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, Purti. Good evening, Pratiman. Good evening, Pinky.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to learn some vocabulary which
Okay.
are related with COVID-19 virus. As we
Yes,
all
sir.
know that our lives have become miserable due to this COVID-19 situation. Okay, there are many things which have been destroyed by this virus was erupted in China. Unfortunately, we are going to learn the vocabulary based on COVID-19. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I will introduce you one single word and then I will ask you to tell me more sentences with the use of that word. Right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So whenever we think about a word that is COVID-19, so COVID-19 is the word. If we go to the full form of this word, that is coronavirus 2019. This is the
Yes.
full form of this word. Give you a chance one by one. Please tell me some more sentences in which
Okay,
you
sir.
would use this word. First, Purti, tell me 3 to 4
Yes, sir.
sentences.
Sir, on which basis?
Just use this word in your sentence, COVID-19 or coronavirus.
Yes, sir. COVID-19 is a battle pandemic for all the world. And
Okay.
COVID-19, yes, sir. And COVID-19 is spread all over the world.
Has spread all over the world.
Yes, sir. Has spread all over the world. COVID-19 is very dangerous for all human beings.
Okay. Give me more sentences. 1 or 2, please.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Because of COVID-19, our every student school closed.
Okay, that's great. Pradyuman, please tell me 2 or 3 sentences in
Yes,
which
sir.
you would use
I
this
would,
word.
yes, sir. I would like to mention here that a virus which name is COVID-19 is erupted in China. And sir, the virus which name COVID-19 is contagious disease. And
Okay.
now, yes, now due to this COVID-19, our world is facing a pandemic. And I would like to mention here that in my family members has suffering from this virus. And sir, COVID-19 virus is really ghastly for human beings. And now COVID-19 virus has transmitted all over the world. Yes, sir.
Very nice. Very good.
Thank you. Thank you,
Well,
sir.
there are some minor mistakes, but okay, I wouldn't like to clear it right now because mistakes are very minor.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Miss Pinky.
Yes, sir.
Miss Pinky,
Yes.
please tell me some sentences.
Yes. In the month of May, I got the COVID-19, or it's the other name is coronavirus. So, I didn't think that in which place I got this, but after, or if it might be from my office. So when I had gone to at my home, so I have checked that I have discussed with doctors because I was feeling at that time that I was just suffering from cold, or I was feeling like fever. So after that I went to doctor. So I have discussed with him. So he had suggested that you should check सब checkup को क्या बोलते हैं?
Yeah,
You
you
should
should go through. You should go through COVID-19 rapid test.
Yeah, you should go through a COVID-19 test. Then I have done. I have checked this. So then after I got COVID-19, so in my family member was shocked at that time because it was a dangerous disease, or
Yeah,
because
you're right.
yes.
But
So
thank God you recovered from the disease and you are in front of us, Helen Harty.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Wow, that's really great. So another word that comes in my mind is symptoms. Symptoms.
Yes.
Now, what are symptoms?
Uh,
Whenever
symptoms
you
would
are
yes.
showing
I got
some mental illness or a physical illness, that's
yes.
what we call symptoms,
Okay, sir.
right?
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
there are some symptoms. There are some symptoms of COVID-19. The first one is cough.
Yes.
Cough, we can say, we all know cough.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So just give me one sentences with the use of cough.
Yes, sir.
Let me see how you make the sentence. How strong you are at sentence making. Just one sentence, not more than that.
Yes, sir.
When I got
Purti,
corona,
Yes, sir.
okay.
please tell me one sentence in which
Yes,
you
sir.
would use word cough.
Okay, sir. So when we get from COVID-19, we usually feel like dry cough. Yes, sir.
Okay. Pradyuman,
Yes, sir. Sir, cough. Sir, when we sick from fever, we usually have to face the cough and also dry and
okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah, Pinky,
Yes, sir.
tell me one sentence, please.
Yes, so there are many symptoms of COVID-19 which a person got, which I got COVID-19. So this is the most symptoms what I got that I cough,
Okay,
cough, which
very nice.
yes,
Cough.
cough.
Well, next symptoms is cold. You know what is cold?
Yes,
In cold, you have a runny nose,
Yes,
and you have to blow your nose frequently.
yes.
yes.
Now, please tell me one sentence, all of you.
Okay, sir. So when we get cold, our nose is raining. Our
Okay.
nose is raining.
Yeah, Pradyuman.
Yes, sir. Sir, when we soak due to raining, after that we have to face like this problem
Very good.
and we snap it.
Pinky,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
please tell me.
When I got COVID-19 or I feel cough, then after I think this is the process of when I got from cough, then after I feel that I am suffering from cold or because
Okay.
my nose is blowing at that
Was
time.
okay.
Yes.
That's great. All right. Next symptoms is fever. You know what is
Yes,
fever? Sudden
Yes,
rise
sir.
in temperature, body temperature. That's called fever.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So it doesn't matter that at what season you get fever. Most of time in rainy season we get fever, and
Very
coronavirus
good.
is the yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
Pradyuman.
yes, sir. Sir, fever disease is sir, fever disease is come due to the cold and cough. And sir, fever disease is a normal disease,
Mhm.
not a like COVID-19.
Okay, fever is okay. Pinky.
Yes, sir. It is another symptoms of COVID-19 which I got because
Which
it
I
was
had got.
normal, which
Which
I
I
had
had
got.
got.
Yes, sir. Which I had got because many person feels fever after getting COVID-19. So I also felt that.
Okay. Now all of a sudden another word has become very much famous, that is outbreak.
Okay.
Now what is
Yes, sir.
outbreak?
Outbreak
Outbreak is
means
something.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just let me explain it first, and then I will give a chance. Outbreak is something that that happens slowly, and a lot of people get affected. That we can call outbreak. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but it is controllable. We can get control over
Yes,
it.
sir.
You
Okay,
know,
sir.
please give a try. Try to make the sentence. Just give a try. If you make a mistake, it's okay. No worries.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Purti,
Yes,
please.
sir. Sir, COVID-19 is also an outbreak that is spread very sudden, is spread very slowly. Then after all the world vulnerable for this pandemic. We can say
Okay.
this is yes, sir.
Pradyuman,
Yes,
please
sir.
tell me sentence.
Yes, sir. I would like to mention here the disease which name is plague. Sir, plague had transmitted as South Africa continent, and the
Mhm.
plague transmitted in very fast motion, and the
Mhm.
disease take as a form of outbreak.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pinky?
yes, sir. As Praduman told that it was a outbreak, and it happened many times before before years ago, when there is no vaccine
There was
in India. Yes,
there was no medical facilities available.
yes, there was no medical facility. So it is one of the outbreak, that is COVID-19. We can say outbreak in this decade, in this decade. Or when I grew
Okay.
up, I saw first time like this outbreak.
Okay, Pinky, you're making some mistakes, but it's okay. Still, mistakes are the proof that you are trying hard. Maybe
Okay.
not today, maybe not tomorrow, but after some days, I will mend your mistakes. Okay, don't worry. Next word is a very good word, that is epidemic. Now, what is
Yes,
epidemic?
sir.
When outbreak
Sir.
spreads to more people or area, it becomes epidemic. But the
Yes,
intensity
sir.
is huge in this epidemic,
Okay.
and it becomes quite hard or difficult to control over. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah. And there's a last stage, that's a pandemic, as COVID-19 has been declared pandemic by WHO, that is World Health Organization. It has declared COVID-19 as a pandemic because when pandemic spreads into a larger area, and it covers whole country or whole world, it covers whole world, and it has intensity more than outbreak and epidemic, it is called pandemic. Okay, WHO has declared COVID-19 as a pandemic because it has spread all over the world, and it has brought all over the world on its knees. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and now please tell me some sentences.
Yes, sir. Sir, swine flu
Like,
is also epidemic. That
pandemic, we are
has
talking about
spread.
the pandemic, we are talking about pandemic. Please use that word, or you can make simple
Okay, sir.
sentences in which you can use coronavirus also.
Yes, sir.
Try to make your own sentence.
Okay, sir. Sir, swine flu is also epidemic that has spread only small area. but when the swine flu is spread, swine flu is spread all over the country, that we had given given the name of this disease like a pandemic.
Okay, as I just explained you three most important words which are very trending. First one is outbreak, epidemic, and pandemic. Now, please just tell me the difference between three of these words one by one, as I just explained you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Pinky,
Yes.
please
Okay,
tell me the
sir.
difference.
Yes. When any disease is or disease or flu like
There was
COVID-19.
Wuhan outbreak. In Wuhan, there was
Yes.
outbreak. In
Yes.
China, it was
If
epidemic.
yes, if
Yeah.
we see that what is the origin of COVID-19 when this COVID-19 will had spread in Wuhan city, that is just situated in China. That means
Mhm.
it was a small area. So at that situation we can say
It was
endemic.
an outbreak. It was an outbreak.
It was outbreak. Oh yes,
Very
sir.
good.
When this COVID-19 will spread out of the city, that means if we can say in China, that means
In whole
I
country.
am yes whole country. I'm mentioning. I am talking about whole country. That means it is epidemic. It is
Okay.
epidemic. When this
Very good.
COVID-19 has spread all over the world, like are in India, or we are suffering in this situation, or it is a COVID era. So we have seen, we see, or we will see in America, in Canada, Brazil. You have read many newspaper. So
Mhm.
it has spread all over.
Yeah, you
All
can
over.
call whole world.
Yes, even Asia continent or North continent, South continent. That means it has spread all over. So
All
that
over.
means
Very good.
yes, it is called a pandemic.
Pandemic.
So yes, WHO declared this disease or this flu pandemic.
This
When
virus. Okay. Purti, please explain
Yes,
me
sir.
the difference between outbreak, epidemic, and pandemic.
Yes, sir. Sir, polio is a disease that is spread only one small
Mhm.
area. Then after that, polio had spreaded all the country. Then
Had spread.
we said it is, yes, sir, has spread. We can say that this was the outbreak. But when the polio has spreaded all of the world,
Had spread.
mentioning,
Past perfect.
yes,
Had
sir.
spread.
Yes, sir, had spread all over the world, mentioning the every continent and every country. So we can say that this is a pandemic. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And we
Pradyuman,
can, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Purti, please
Sir,
continue. Sorry for the interruption.
Yes, sir. No. Actually, sir, in Atlantica, there was a there is a lack of people, but there are
People.
there
People. You want to say
yes, sir,
people?
people. Uh, yes, sir. Sir, in
It's okay if you
Atlantica,
don't remember
there,
anything. It's okay, no problem. Pradyuman, please tell me.
yes, sir. Sir, when any disease or when any virus spreads only a one small area, we can
Mhm.
say that this is the outbreak, and
Outbreak.
also we can say the endemic.
Hmm.
And am I right, sir?
Well, that is an outbreak.
Okay.
when
Okay,
it's
sir. And yes, sir. And any virus and any disease spread not a small but a large area. So we can say that this is the epidemic. And when the virus is spread all over the world, and and after that is spread all over the world, people does not get any vaccine and not
people.
uh,
It's
yes,
people.
yeah, people does not get any vaccine or treatment, so we can say this is the pandemic. Yes, sir.
Very good. Next word is transformation. Transformation means spread. As we know, COVID-19 is the disease that spread from transformation from person to person. It keeps spreading. It keeps, you know, keeps going
Yes, sir.
ahead. So, how do we use the word transformation?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Purti.
can I start? Yes, sir.
Yeah, Purti, please.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, when I was suffering from tuberculosis, my parents had suggested
Tuberculosis.
me that, yes, sir.
Tuberculosis.
Yes, sir. When I was suffering from tuberculosis, my parents suggested me that you should maintain some physical distance from your sibling, because the tuberculosis disease is transparent.
Very
Transparent.
good.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I would like to
It
mention
spreads
here that
from person to person. So
yes, sir.
your parents maybe wanted to say you that if you don't maintain physical distance from your siblings, they might get
Yes,
affected with tuberculosis as well.
yes, sir.
Yes. Pradyuman, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, COVID-19 is a contagious disease, and
Contagious.
COVID-19, yes, COVID-19 transmit pupil to pupil. So, sir,
People,
government,
people to people, or person to
yes,
person, person to
okay,
person.
sir,
It's contagious.
okay. So, and the government had given a guidelines to keep a social distancing to each other, because COVID-19 is a transmitted COVID-19 is a contagious disease. So that's
Hmm.
why. And the yes, sir. And sir, COVID-19 is a transmit very soon. So
Okay.
we have to adhere to government guidelines.
Very good. We have to abide by government's guideline. You want to say that. Abide by
Yes, sir.
is synonym for adhere, right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Abide by. Pinky,
Yes, sir.
do you have something else to say about this word?
Yes, sir. When first wave of COVID-19 has come in India, the transmission rate is so low. We can't
Was
say
so
low.
low.
So no, yes, yes. The transmission rate was low, but we have seen in our last days in the second wave. I'm talking about second wave. The transmission rate is very high. That's
Hmm.
why many person of India, or many peoples of India got
Many people
this virus.
affected with this virus.
Yes, affected with this virus.
Okay. I just used a word. I just used a word that is abide by.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Abide by is a phrase. It means to follow something. Okay. When it comes to following some rules, we have to use abide by. For example,
Okay, sir.
if you are in the college and college says that you have to follow college rules, so college would say that you have to abide by our rules. Means you have to follow our rules. Okay. For example, government is appealing you to stay at home. To stay at home, the government appeals you
Yes, sir.
to abide by our rules. Right.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, Purti, please tell me only 2 sentences in which you would use this phrase, which is abide by.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should abide by our parents' moral, and we
Very
should
good.
abide by, yes, sir. And we should abide by our government rules that uh, yes, sir.
Okay, in order to prevent COVID-19 virus.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, Pradyuman, please tell me 2 sentences with the
Yes,
use
sir.
of abide by.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should avoid by COVID-19 guidelines because the times needs now, and we should
It
avoid
has
by
become the need of the
our.
time. It has
Okay,
become
yes,
need
sir.
of time.
Yes, sir. And we should abide by our parents' order. We should abide by our teachers' orders, and also we should abide by our siblings' order.
Pinky,
Yes, sir.
please tell me 2
Uh,
sentences.
so as we see in our surrounding, there are many person who don't aware about COVID-19
Who
protocols.
are
So
not aware, who are not aware of COVID-19 situation.
yes, who are not aware of COVID-19 situation, and they are not following they are not abide by government guidelines. So
Mhm.
it will be dangerous for us, not only for them, but also who live with them. So people should abide by government rules or
Very good.
protocols.
Very nice. People should abide by government's rule so that they could prevent themselves from getting affected with COVID-19
Yes, yes,
and
yes.
they could save their loved one as well.
Even sir, in future we can save third wave from third wave.
Okay, third wave is about to hit India. So we
Yes,
should follow government rules so that we could not get affected with this virus.
yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next word is contagious. Pradhiman just used that word, but I'm damn sure both of you, Pinky and Purti, are not familiar with this word. That's contagious.
Yes, sir.
Contagious means that spreads from person to person. Understood? It's
Okay.
also another good word,
Yes, sir.
contagious. And COVID-19 is a contagious virus that spreads from person to person. And that is the only reason government appeals us to maintain physical distance from person to person so that we will not get affected with this virus. Right?
Contagious. Okay.
Yeah, it's contagious.
Contagious.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, then.
Sir, is it process to spread?
Actually, this is the name of the virus, contagious. It's a procedure through which the
Oh,
virus gets ahead.
okay. Okay.
Okay, it's contagious.
Yes, sir.
There is a next word that is isolate. Isolate is a good
Yes,
verb.
sir.
It's a good word, isolate. What's
Yes.
the meaning by isolate? Isolate is the word when somebody is kept away from other when he or she has got COVID-19 virus. That is
Yes.
isolate. To keep someone away or to make someone stay away from others, that is isolate. In hospital, we have heard the word isolation ward. Isolation
Yes,
wards
sir.
are wards where only COVID-19 patients are kept.
Yes, I have seen also.
Yeah. So Pinky, please tell me 2 sentences with the use of isolate.
Yes, sir. Sir, when I went when I got COVID-19 virus, so I have I have isolated myself because I don't wanted that I didn't want that other got
Others should
COVID-19.
get affected. Very good.
Yes, others would
Others
get
should get
affected.
affected.
Others would get
Mhm.
others would get affected from COVID-19. So
Very good. Mhm.
yes, I have isolated myself at that
Okay, so
time.
you had isolated yourself from others so that
Yes,
you could keep them safe.
yes, I had isolated myself.
Very good. Purti, please tell me
Yes,
two
sir.
sentences.
Yes, sir. So when my elder sister was affected from the COVID-19, doctor given her guideline that you should remain from your
Doctor had
family. You should
advised her.
remain far. Yes,
Doctor
sir.
had
Doctor
advised
had
her.
Yes, sir. Doctor had advised her that you should remain far from your family. That was
Okay.
the very difficult. Yes, sir. That was very difficult task for us. That we should leave without our sister, and because
Okay.
we were studying with together. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pradyuman, it's your
Yes,
turn.
sir. When my family members had got affected to this COVID-19 virus, so
Mhm.
and my family members take a measure themselves that I should have isolated myself, and
Mhm.
I appreciated to my family member decision at that time, and now and I shall see and whose name is Pinky Didi, and yes, she has isolated them. She has isolated herself.
Okay. There is a one word which we hear a lot. We frequently hear that word, that is novel. Novel coronavirus. Novel means new. That is
Yes,
new
sir.
for all of us. That is the name is novel. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
Okay, then next word is ramp up. Ramp
yes.
up.
Up
Ramp up
to
means
increase.
to spread with
Increase.
high frequency, and it spreads faster
Mhm,
comparing to
mhm.
others. That is ramp up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So today was a very good session. But before leaving the session, please tell me some more sentences in which you would use ramp up and you would
Yes, sir.
complete your sentence. Ramp up. Pinky, please start.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, in the month of April, I had read a newspaper that in India, the COVID-19 cases ramped up at that time.
Ramp up. Very
So
nice.
yes,
Purti, please tell me one more sentence.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, if the government wants to decrease the COVID-19 cases, that our state and government should also ramp up the COVID-19 patient probe.
Okay, pro. Pradyuman,
Yes, sir.
please tell me
Yes, sir.
one more sentence.
Sir, in COVID-19 period, we saw all over the country that all over countries' economies go down, but the China's economic ramped up at COVID-19 period.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is one more sentence which is very common, but it's important. That is vaccination procedure should be ramped up. No, we have to,
Yes, sir.
we should vaccinate all over the world, especially all over the India, so that people should get, might not get affected with COVID-19. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
vaccination procedure should be ramped up. We should,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Okay, then thank you so much for attending the session. Today we learned many new words, and please use those words in your own vocabulary so that you could garnish your language. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then bye all of
Yes,
Yes,
you.
sir.
sir.
See you in
Bye,
the
Yes,
sir.
next
sir.
session. Bye all
thank
of
you.
you.
Thank you so
Bye,
much.
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Have a nice day, sir.
Have
You
a nice
too.
day.
Bye. Have a nice day.